Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing an instant protein and fiber rich chilla recipe ideal as a meal for breakfast, lunch or dinner in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. Into a bowl, I'm adding in 1 cup of finely chopped fresh palak leaves, add in 1 grated carrot, 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped, 2 green chilies finely chopped and 1/4 inch ginger finely chopped. Green chilies you can increase or decrease as per your taste. 1 teaspoon sesame seeds, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder. The addition of black pepper helps in better assimilation of turmeric. 1/4 teaspoon hing, also known as asafoetida powder. This is homemade asafoetida powder. I have already shared how to make asafoetida powder at home. Please do check it out. Half teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, half teaspoon roasted jeera powder, also known as cumin powder, 1 teaspoon ajwain, also known as carom seeds. I'm lightly crushing the ajwain with my palm and adding it in so that the flavors are released. Ajwain, hing and jeera powder will help with digestion, so try not to skip it. 1 teaspoon pink Himalayan salt or as needed, 1/4 cup finely chopped coriander leaves, half cup besan flour. For added protein and fiber, I am adding in 1/4 cup sattu flour, also known as roasted gram dal flour. Sattu is one of the richest source of plant protein. And lastly, I am adding in 1 teaspoon amchur powder, also known as dry mango powder. With my hand, I am giving this all a good mix. Instead of the vegetables I'm using in this recipe, you can use any seasonal greens or vegetables of your choice which are in season. Into this I'm adding in 1/4 cup water and I'm giving this all a good mix. Okay, now the batter is nicely mixed and it is of spreadable consistency. That is, I can easily spread it out with my thumb like this. So this is the consistency you should be looking at. Now the best thing about this batter is that you can refrigerate and it will stay good in the refrigerator for a couple of days. This way, this is an ideal way to meal prep. And now let's start making the high protein instant palak chilla. I'm heating my cast iron tawa and I'm lightly greasing the tawa. Take a ladle full of the batter and place it in the center and lightly spread it out with a spoon. You can dip the spoon in water if at all it starts to stick. Once it is evenly spread, drizzle in 1 teaspoon wood pressed oil of your choice. I'm using wood pressed groundnut oil. Cover and allow it to cook on low flame. A couple of minutes later, open the lid and carefully flip it over. Once that side is done, flip it over again and serve to a plate. Repeat the same thing with the rest of the batter. Leftover batter can always be stored in the refrigerator. So guys, do try this healthy instant chilla and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.